name is Rain, and then we're gonna do the countries if I sleep.
Okay. And do you have your Rubik's with you?
Oh yes. This is a trick.
Okay. You're gonna show them your tricks, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so you want them to like and subscribe to your channel?
Yeah.
Okay. Want them to like and subscribe, you tell them.
Like and subscribe to my channel, and then comment and share.
Okay, thank you. Alright.
Thank you.
Gonna say bye for now then.
Bye.
Then we're gonna create the rest of the videos, okay?
Okay. Hello, my name is Rain. I just turned 5, and then I gonna solve the Rubik's
Go.
Cube.
Alright. What side are we doing right now? What color?
Red.
Red. Wow.
Ah,
You think you can do it?
it's your favorite color.
Oh, really? Okay, that's great. Do you think you can make it on time?
Yeah. The last piece. One piece. There.
Whoa, that's great.
Can I have a fire star?
Fire star, what is that?
It's a rare star.
Oh, okay. Alright, what we're gonna tell the people?
Like and subscribe to my channel. Hello, my name is Rain, and then I just turned 5. And then I gonna solve the Japan flag.
Alright.
Like and subscribe to my
Okay.
channel.
Do you think you can do it?
Yes.
Why is it your favorite?
You always say that.
I didn't hear it.
Maybe I like Scooby-Doo. Hey girl, what's your favorite film? She said it does my favorite doll. Masterpiece of pie called Human Centipede. Human Centipede. I think you're gonna get that.
What? Almost there? Almost there?
There. Hello, my name is Rain. I just turned 5, and then I gonna make the Brazil flag.
Alright.
Okay.
You know what it looks like?
Yeah, it's look like that over there in my tablet.
Okay.
Okay.
You think you can do it?
Yeah, it's easy.
Ooh, that's nice. Can you see it? Alright. Very good.
Subscribe and like to my channel. I like to hit 1,899 million subscribers. Hello, my name is Rain, and then I just turned 5, and then I'm doing the French flag.
Okay. The flag of France.
Yeah, it's France. French. Let's see. I can do it.
Can do it.
I know I do it. So easy.
I know that you can do it.
Okay, the next one is the part. This one.
Wow!
Flag.
Really?
Yeah, it's
So-
a French flag.
Oh, good job, Rain. Good job. Can I see it? Whoa!
Can I have a prime star? Hello, my name is Rain, and then I'm gonna do the flag, the India flag.
Okay. Go. You can do it?
Yeah,
Okay. Are you familiar with it?
yeah. I do that, right? I do that.
Okay.
Last piece is in there. Okay, this
Wow.
is the-
Really? Wow, that's great. Oh, who is that?
Green from my friends.
Green?
Yeah.
Wow. What does he do?
He jump scares some players in
Really?
Roblox.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, look at him.
I love Roblox.
He has long tongue.
He's blind.
He is?
Yeah. He's blind.
Although he has eyes, right?
Yeah. But he don't have his glasses.
He doesn't.
I thought he gonna get his glasses. He's blind.
Really? I didn't
Green
know
is
that.
not catching players
Really?
if he's blind.
Mm-hmm. It's having a hard time catching players, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great to hear from him.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Rain and that I just turned 5 and then there's a special of my boba.
What is that? Is that a boba?
Yeah. It's my stuffed toys boba.
Let's look at it.
Wow.
Wow. Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's just cute. I play it all the time if you're sleeping.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And then I drink water. And then I put the water in there.
Oh, really? And then,
Yeah.
what does the boba do?
It gives fluffy power.
Fluffy power.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because the
Oh, the what?
because he's so cute, but Chopper is cuter.
Oh, really?
Hello, my name is Rain, and then I just took 5, and then subscribe and like to my channel.
Okay, who's that?
Boxy. And now I have
Foxy?
some donuts and chicken, and then chicken nugget.
Really? That's Foxy?
Yeah.
That's how.
And then with some milk.
Oh, really? Wow, that's cool. And what does he do?
Boxy is my best friend.
So he says. All right, can you remove his headgear?
Where's headgear?
The one on his head.
Oh, the box?
Yeah, you can remove it.
Yeah?
Can I see it? What's inside?
Okay.
No. This one?
I think it's...
Wow! Oh, what are you doing, Rain?
I'm playing with Boxy.
Boxy, that's a new friend?
Yeah?
What does he look like?
He
Ooh.
looks like a box, and then it looks like a ghost. But
Ghost?
it's not a ghost.
Really?
It
What?
have a ghost face, and then it have a shape like a box.
Oh, really? Okay.
Boxy.
What's inside it?
Ghosty.
What's inside?
it? Inside it.
Oh, it looks like a marshmallow.
It looks like a marshmallow.
Wow. Okay. All right. So you put it back.
Okay. It's so hard to put it back. Hello, my name is Rain, and then I just turned 5, and then look at my plushie. It's so cute.
Wow. Who's that plushie of yours?
Pochta.
Wow. It looks
so
like cute. Really?
Yeah.
It looks like a chainsaw.
Yeah.
Ah, will that hurt me?
No.
Oh, okay.
Did you know Chainsaw Man is Devil Hunter?
It's a devil hunter. Wow, yes, it really is a devil hunter. How about this one? Is this guy his friend?
Yeah, this one.
Are you Chainsaw Man by any chance?
I'm Chainsaw Man.
Really?
And then this is pasta.
Oh, that's great to know. Right? So, all right. Thank you so much, Pochta.